I quit my job just the other day, and I sold my crap and I ran away. I became a pirate just the other day with tattoos and an eye patch. And I'll chase the witches and you can too. The yah har har hula hoo. You can be a pirate too. This is my parable. So come on now and tin the sails and mend the masts and mind the swells. Now let's hear some hearty yells, lads, and get our hands on the booty. With the yar har har and a hula hoo, you can be a pirate too. The yar har